What's up, you guys? So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you could boost your posts, get your ads approved, how to create ads, how to grow your page from 1,000 to 5,000 likes within a week. I'm going to show you all the little tricks that I know and what I did to make me the most profit, most money. Alright, so I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so first things first, I have a few pages. Actually, I even started a Spanish one yesterday. I'm already doing good with my organic traffic. I get organic traffic for free. Like, I don't even pay for any traffic. I'm trying a few ads out right now and they're doing pretty good. But I've went viral a few times, few videos to a few million views. Some videos that are not even my videos. I use other people's videos and still make some pretty good, decent money. Alright, so I'm going to get right into it. So this is just one video right here. It's organic. Got 102,000 views. There's one. I'm going to show you a few other ones. Where I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. It's very easy. It's not that hard. If you've been working online for a while already, you know how it is. The struggle could be real sometimes when it comes to getting leads, whether you're in affiliate marketing, eccomerce, or whatever it is that you do. It can be hard sometimes to get leads, but like I said, I have a good way to do it, and I'm willing to help whoever. Alright, so as long as you're serious, I could show you how. Alright, so I'm going to go to this other video. This other video, it went pretty viral, and it's completely organic. There's a specific certain way that I do this, and I will show you step by step if you're serious. Alright, you should have to subscribe to my channel, comment info below, and I'll show you how I grew a page to 25,000 people in a week. In 1 week. Let me see, I'm just trying to find this post. So it's right here. So one thing, so as you can see, this post right here has 175,000 views. This is completely organic. So one thing is you should post this video on your page, and I'm going to show you, if you send me a message or comment info below, I'm going to show you a way on how to get this video to go viral. But a way to do it on this page is post this, share a few more motivation pictures, and then reshare it onto your own page when your page starts to grow. And as your page grows, keep sharing it, and it'll keep building that. It'll for some reason, it's weird, it'll just start going viral when people scroll down and look through the same post again and again. But as you can see right here, if you click on the likes, I'm not going to show you now, but if you click on the likes or go onto your phone, you could invite all these likes to your page. So that's another way that you could build your page really fast, is by getting all these people to go into your page and like your page. So there's that, and then a thing with ads. Alright, so what I do is I do engagement. As you can see, I pick engagement because views doesn't really work. So views is trash. I wouldn't recommend it. And another thing that I would recommend, I was doing a company called MCA. I don't know if you guys know about it. And I started doing this other company that I'm doing right now. And what I pretty much did is I allowed everyone to see like my videos, whether you were in like Nigeria or in Mexico. I allowed everyone, and what I did was I joined a company that was global. And I had MCA that was USA and Canada. So what I was doing, everyone, I was pitching USA and Canada, click here, and then if you want to join the global company, click here. And I was getting sales off of both, and I was killing it with every lead that I got, like no matter which direction it went. my post went, I still made sales. Alright, if you do want to join my company, uh, I'm not saying you have to, I'm just putting it out there. I'm going to leave a link below to my company so that if you guys aren't in a global company, you guys can get into it and start doing it. It's very easy. Alright, if you're on the side of whatever it is that you do, it's just good to use with the traffic that you get from other places. Alright, so what I do is you could either pick right here, you click people who live in this location. You could add, like I said, any country you like. The more unique, the better. If you know different languages, the better. Right here, sometimes I'd pick. See, here's another little trick that I got. So what I do is, if you go onto your fan page, you go to your settings, and you could put that people 17 and older or 18 and older can view your posts. But what you could do right here is to get more engagement. So look, as you can see, if I do this, let's see, if I go to 13, it'll go up. The amount you get right here will go up. But when Facebook puts it out there, it doesn't. They can't show them to these younger people, so you get the benefit overall. Like, you get more people to see your post. So that's another way to like spend like $10 and get tons of leads. Is that way. And then I don't know. Sometimes it works if you put 65, but sometimes it has to like you have to make a few posts in order for it to like scale. But what I usually do is I'll do like, I don't know, like 30 to 35. Sometimes I'll do like 20 to 30. And I'll pick like United States, Canada. I don't know, just try out different countries depending what you know. If you're a girl, I'd probably choose women and use women's videos. And another thing, I have videos that you guys could use if you like. But I usually give them to people that like join my company. And for my advanced training, I do charge a little, but I mean, if you join my company, the company that I'm in, the global company, I mean, I'll help you step by step. I'll show you. It's not even a lot of money. It's a little bit to get started. So right here, you don't even have to put interest. I wouldn't even do it. I mean, you could try it. If it works for you, good for you, but it's up to you. Right here, exclude people who like your page. And then you're gonna go to edit placements. And what you're gonna do is take off instant articles, take off Instagram, and take off this. So the only things you're gonna have: suggested videos, in-stream videos, and feeds. And sometimes this engagement could go up right here. I believe if you just put desktop or mobile, so if you just put mobile, this will go up. But sometimes you could just leave it. So what I would recommend is probably do $10 a day, 10 to 20, depending on your budget. But like I said, I know an organic way to get 100K views, 200, 500K. I've got millions of views organically. I got a good way to do it. If you guys comment info below, subscribe, I'll send you a message and show you exactly how you could do that. But if you want to be in a global company, like I said, I'm going to leave the link below. What else? Let me see what else. Oh yeah, and another thing. So like I said, if you want to do paid ads, you have to boost a few motivation videos before you post your ad video, and then do like three to five motivation videos. Then do your ad video and try to get all of them approved, and they're all going to get approved along with your money video. I don't know if you know what a money video is, but if you're stuck on getting leads, message me. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and go viral. And literally for every person that comments on your newsfeed, it'll be a lead. All right, you're gonna get thousands of comments. I'm gonna show you exactly how, step by step. If you want to do it organically, me and I think a few, like 2 or 3 other people know this that I've told, but this organic way is like very, very powerful if you know how to use it. Like I said, I'll guide you step by step. It's very easy. Just comment info below, and I'm gonna leave my Facebook link below, probably my Snapchat. Or I don't know if I'll probably leave my number. Subscribe, comment info below if you're serious, and I'll get back to you right away so you could start getting organic leads. Start getting these boosts approved so that you can start making some good money right away, no matter what industry you're in, affiliate marketing, eccomerce. Just, like I said, comment info below, and I'll be willing to help you step by step. I'll guide you one-on-one, alright? Peace. Talk to you soon.